Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you this morning on this very important Friday morning video on January 20th, Inauguration Day? Obviously, we have a lot of important weather information to talk about. Storm system number 1 has departed. That was a relatively low-end severe weather threat. What's approaching for the weekend is a much bigger deal, it appears, and it could come in multiple rounds. Maybe round 1, in fact, late tonight in the wee hours of Saturday morning. And all modes of severe weather possible in both the Saturday morning and later on Saturday into Saturday night, Sunday storm system. And by all modes of severe weather, I'm talking about tornadoes possible too. If you have a couple of minutes, this is an important video. You can share it with your friends, and it begins right now. On the current map this morning, we see storm system number 1 departing, storm system number 2 about to get started in Texas, and we're kind of in between storm systems today. So it's going to be a mostly cloudy, warm day. It could be a few spotty showers. In fact, here's future radar. As the rain from storm system number 1 departs, a few spotty showers here and there today, but I think the main show arrives late tonight, after midnight. In fact, maybe around 2 or 3 in the morning in some areas. 78 the high today, mostly cloudy skies, a 30% chance of a passing shower, 80% chance late tonight. Again, that would be the wee hours of Saturday morning. Tonight's low 62 tomorrow. This is pre-dawn Saturday. Showers and storms already have overspread the state, some of which will be severe, with all modes of severe weather possible. So that's round number 1. Round number 2, here's Saturday night. It gets started perhaps late Saturday afternoon into Saturday night into Sunday morning with all modes of severe weather, and that could be an intense round. And then we're looking at the severe weather risk through 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, and already the severe weather risk is as far east as Montgomery and Enterprise, and slight risk into southwest Alabama. Now here's Saturday starting at 6 a.m. and going to 6 a.m. Sunday. Slight risk covering all of Alabama, an enhanced risk in the far western counties and back into Mississippi, and that's through, again, 6 a.m. on Sunday morning. So on Sunday morning, starting at 6 a.m., this is day 3 risk, showing a slight risk through all the way to the Montgomery area, covering southeast Alabama, and enhanced risk in Florida. So we could have a leftover threat on Sunday morning. So 3 a.m. to noon on Saturday is round 1. And then beginning late Saturday afternoon into Saturday night and Sunday morning is round 2. With tornadoes, damaging winds, large hail, all modes of severe weather possible. Stay weather alert and have your weather app ready, and allow push notifications as well. Noon on Sunday, the severe weather threat has ended here, but a complex situation, 2 low-pressure areas controlling our weather. So scattered showers continues. Even Monday, windy, colder with showers. High temperature may not make 60 on Monday with the low-pressure area moving away. Additional rainfall amounts on top of what we've already had. This is the European idea, showing a couple of inches around Columbus, Georgia, 2.8 inches around Lake Martin. And you can see the rain continues heavy in southeast Alabama as well. So the blue bars at the bottom on the European is the storm system Saturday and Sunday. Notice the big drop early next week, and then we rise again in the middle of the week before a huge drop late next week. Much colder air coming in as this month ends, as we get towards especially Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So that's the big change to colder that we've been talking about, and that could be only the beginning of some big cold coming in February. Download our new weather app. It allows push notifications if you give it permission. That's the way we get watches and warnings and messages to you, plus all the blog information as well, future radar and a whole bunch of other stuff. It's something you'll need in the next 24 to 36 hours, trust me. I keep running into people who haven't even heard of the weather app yet. It's something that could save your life today. So if you have it but your friends don't have it, let them know about it, because we can send you push notifications that can wake you up, watches, warnings, plus I can send you messages as well. Get that today, because it's going to be very important to you. We are going to have a special update from the Blue Water Weather Center, but we're going to do it at 10 a.m. this morning because the inauguration's at 11. We'll do our update at 10 a.m. from the Blue Water Weather Center. Check that out this morning with new information from the Storm Prediction Center and new model data. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 on Bama Country. We'll be talking about this severe weather threat. And you can get your forecast anytime you want across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of radio stations. And I'll be here with you tomorrow morning. There won't be a video, and the reason there won't be a video is severe weather will be ongoing, so I'll be blogging information to you, okay? Have a good day, stay weather alert, and we'll keep you up to date.
Rich Thomas this weather.